Hello everyone, welcome to Seed, Sow and Grow Gardening. I'm Lisa, welcome back. We're talking about something that often gets overlooked but is absolutely essential for a thriving garden: soil. It might not seem as exciting as picking out seeds or choosing colorful flowers, but trust me, understanding your soil is the foundation for a successful garden. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, let's look at the wonderful world of dirt, your garden's secret weapon. Soil is so much more than just dirt. It's a complex ecosystem that has life, tiny microbes to earthworms. And here's a friend of mine locally. I'm located in the Philippines, and what is she doing? Collecting soil, dirt from this particular location where cows normally are. And so because of the cow poop, it's a very rich soil. And look at the area where she decided to grow some additional plants here. And they're growing here because of the soil. It's a pretty rugged area, but she's able to grow peppers. We have eggplants here. She has some other seedlings that are doing well, again, because of the soil. And here at the end of the garden, she has tomatoes growing. So we'll check back with her garden and we'll check the progress. So you should know the importance of soil. Understanding soil basics is very important. There are three main types of soil. Sandy soil drains well but doesn't hold onto water or nutrients very well. There's clay soil, holds onto water and nutrients well, but can be dense and difficult for roots to penetrate. And then we have loam soil, the golden ticket. It's a mix of sand, silt, and clay, offering the perfect balance of drainage, water retention, and nutrients. So what can you do to improve your soil? Here are some tips. The first thing you can do is amendments. That means adding organic matter like compost and manure to help improve drainage and water retention and nutrient content. And there's mulch. Adding a layer of mulch around your plants helps suppress weeds, retain moisture, and regulate soil temperature. And then you can use cover crops. Planting cover crops like clover or ryegrass between planting seasons adds nitrogen to the soil and helps prevent erosion. So remember, happy soil means happy plants. By taking the time to understand and nurture your soil, you're laying the groundwork for a successful and bountiful garden. So get your hands dirty, learn about your soil, and watch your garden flourish. Please remember to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. And also leave a comment below. Let me know about your soil experience and what you are planting this season. See you in the next video.